Marami daw formula sa success, but this time may i-share ako sa'yo na pwede mong gamitin, madaling tandaan, and may help you build your path to success. Ito yung direction, speed, and patience. Direction meaning alam mo yung pupuntahan mo. Alam mo kung kailan ka titigil, alam mo kung saan ka liliko, meaning you have the goal in mind. Speed naman is kung gaano ka kabilis mag-act or mag-execute. Remember, hindi ka hihintayin ng oras para maging ready. And lastly, patience. Patience is yung ability mo to wait until things align. Sinasabi nila hindi naman importante yung speed. Ang kailangan mo lang direction. Pero speed allows you to fail more. Magkamali ng magkamali para matuto ka ng matuto. Paano kung wala ka naman patience? Baka sa sobrang bilis mo magkamali ka lang is bibigay ka na. Paano kung isang tulak pa is doon mo nakuha yung goal mo? Yung direction na pupuntahan mo? Actually, patience will allow you to go faster. Kasi you will see different perspective that will allow you to tweak your plan or even baguhin yung